feel like I come on here real quick. I just want to address a few situations. You know what I'm saying? First off, I feel like niggas is playing with my name, bro. Anybody know me, bro? Y'all niggas fucking is boat, bro. I've been doing this jury shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? I pay for, and the crazy shit is, any Jew to tell you, bro, I don't play around with my jury, bro. You know what I'm saying? Nigga come out here talking about something. I woke up to a nigga saying that I can't even say the B word, bro. The B word. Nigga said I went the B word, bro. What? That's crazy. Thing is the thing, man. Since you want to talk about it, let's talk about it, man. I've paid John over $900,000, and I got receipts because I don't carry cash. I pay everything with credit and checks. You know what I'm saying? So in the case of him saying I feel in my life, all right, that's first. My mother wrote him a check a year ago for something that she was doing out of her bank account, all right, and she spelled his name wrong on the check. That's what happened. So he said, you know what? Don't worry about the check. I'll rip it up because you spelled my name wrong. Just pay me differently. So my mom wired him, and she never worried about the check. Now, when we got into it, and he said that I owe him for something that I felt like I didn't owe him for because he overpriced me on it, and then I never paid on that. He went and took that check my mother wrote him from a year ago with the name messed up and tried to cash it. Now, out of her account, nigga, that's my mother. I got the money, not my mom's, nigga. So you trying to cash this amount of money, first off, from a year ago, out of her account, nigga, it ain't gonna go. And then he tried to throw it on me and made it seem like I wrote a check. Nigga, I don't write no fucking check. I ain't never wrote no check to nobody. What the fuck? The fuck? 22 years old, nigga, I ain't write no fucking check my mother in my life.
Oh man, somebody lying. Lil Yachty say he is not broke and he is not going in debt by this jury. You know, he made the little statement, but as you can see, he telling lies all through the statement, saying that he don't use cash, he only use credit and checks. Then later on in the same video, he say that he don't write checks. So, you know, somebody lying. And obviously he didn't pay that man by the jury because he say he feel like the nigga overcharged him. So he didn't pay the dude, you know. So I doubt that Lil Yachty's going broke, but he obviously owed this man some money, man. So Lil Yachty, you need to pay that man, dog. On Sporty Black, if you're new to the channel, hit that sub button. I'm out.